Welcome to SIMITG's Quick Productivity Tips. Do you know that you can easily translate your document to another language in Microsoft Word? In today's Quick Productivity Tip, we will share with you how to use Microsoft Word for translation. First, open the document that you would like to translate in your Office 365 Microsoft Word. Here, I have opened a sample English Word document to illustrate this translation feature. In the menu bar, click Review. Under the Review section, click Translate, then click Translate Document to translate the whole document. In the right panel, you can select the language that you would like to translate the document to. In this case, I will select Chinese Simplified to translate the English document to Chinese. Then click Translate. Your English Word document will be translated into Chinese. It's a great feature, and do give it a try. If you like this quick productivity tip, please subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.